this guy as a young man had a dream to become a big movie star, to come to Hollywood and to become a great director and producer and a writer and all those kind of dreams he had. Of course, everyone told him it can't be done. But, he wouldn't take no for an answer. And of course, one day, after struggling, like we all do in the beginning, to get into TV and into movies, he had this idea of writing a script. And in longhand, he wrote this script.
It's all about dreams, and by the way, dreams cost nothing. They're free. The hard part is just keeping them going, and please keep them going, because we're here for one simple reason. He believed in the dream, I believed in the dream, and our dreams come true, and there's no reason every one of yours can't either.
Great, thanks. Recording with one hand, pizza in the other hand. Ready for Bristol? Yeah. No problem! I'm not going up that! Where's your fucking shirt? Yeah, you too! Oh shit! I can fix your bike. I can adjust your bike a little bit.
Yeah, you should have. It's a little heavy for the bike. The hill didn't like it.
I saw that.
Yeah,
But yo, it's also, it says adjustment's not adjusted right. Okay, I tried it one turn in, so try it like that. Look at this though. Woo. Bristol Mines. smoking at all.
No?
No.
It needs to smoke too.
It acts a lot better, yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go with that for now. It doesn't really smoke much.
I don't like that, but
I don't like that either. Just park it, ride it, park it, you know.
alright. Still got my cash though.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that sticking out of there a little bit.
I feel better. And I'm going riding today. Good old Bristol Mines. It's a heck of a spot.
Alright, let's go. This way. a ditch, you know, only got the one head. I didn't know about that, did I? I have one head. My flip-flop came off.
I didn't notice until the last second. I looked like you did a jump.
That's why I told you. Ride and then do it.
I stood up and I noticed it was a jump, so I
I'm happy I didn't follow you there. All right, let's go have a beer by Ricky. Fucking Jeremy almost tried to fucking kill me. Yeah. Yeah, no, the 250R.
Yeah. You're asking for trouble. Get some boots on.
Don't tell me about asking for trouble.
I'll rest my case.